Most people will waste 2026 doing exactly what they did last year, like same routines, same habits, same lifestyle, and then wonder why nothing changes. But if you're here watching this, I'm assuming you don't want to be most people. You clicked on this video because you actually want more for yourself than just another ordinary year. So stay with me. This video is about turning 2026 into your comeback year, using daily habits that improve you physically, mentally, and financially. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, move your body. Look, I'm not going to tell you to become a gym freak or suddenly turn into an athlete, but if you want 2026 to be your comeback year, your body needs to wake up with you. So here's the deal. Move your body for 30 to 45 minutes every single day. Pick one of these. Gym, walking, running, home workouts. It doesn't matter what you choose. What matters is consistency. You'll feel lighter, clearer, and stronger. And even on low energy days, you still do something. Even a simple walk or 5 minutes of stretching counts. The habit is what matters. Second, a simple nutrition system. Most people ruin their progress because they chase crazy diets they can't stick to. All you need is a structure that you can actually follow. So, make sure you have one genuinely healthy meal every single day. Not perfect, just real food. Something with protein, something fresh, something that actually gives your body energy. Now, when cravings show up, don't immediately run to junk food. Start with a glass of water, then reach for better options like fruits, a bowl of salad, a simple homemade snack, and try to avoid late night emotional snacking as much as possible. A lot of that isn't even hunger, it's your mind asking for comfort. Third, protect your peace and cut unnecessary negativity. Let's be honest, sometimes it's not life that's draining you, it's people. It's environments, it's conversations that constantly pull you down. If every time you talk to someone you feel smaller, discouraged, judged, or mentally tired, that's not love, that's weight. And you can't build a comeback year while carrying emotional bricks on your back. So, start being intentional about who and what you allow into your mental space. That means limit time with constantly negative people, stop engaging in draining arguments and drama, unfollow accounts that make you feel insecure, angry, or not enough. Distance yourself from environments that keep you stuck. This doesn't always mean cutting people out completely. Sometimes it just means creating boundaries, talking less, giving less access, protecting your peace. Because your mind can't grow in a toxic atmosphere. When you remove unnecessary negativity, you create space for better thoughts, better energy, and better progress. Fourth, commit to learning a new skill. We often forget that life isn't only about working, surviving, and repeating routines. You deserve something in your life that makes you feel alive, curious, and excited again. So this year, choose one new thing to learn. Yeah, something that genuinely interests you. It could be painting, cooking, playing an instrument, learning a language, photography, editing, writing. Literally anything that makes you go, I've always wanted to try this. So spend just 15 to 20 minutes a day or a few times a week on it. No pressure to be perfect. No need to compare yourself with others. Just slow progress, tiny improvements, and genuine enjoyment. Because when you learn something new, you don't just gain a skill, you build confidence. It strengthens your brain. It reminds you that you're capable of growth and reinvention at any stage of life. Fifth, take control of your money. One of the biggest reasons people stay stressed about money is because they don't keep a track of where it goes. So this year, build one simple habit of tracking what you spend and save something from every income, no matter how small. No complicated finance apps needed. Just open the Notes app on your phone and write what you spent on and how much you spent on it. When you see your money clearly, you automatically start spending more wisely. Now comes the saving part. Even a small amount counts. $10, $20. Just put it aside before you start spending, and stop spending on nice-to-have things that don't actually add value to your life. That random shopping urge, the unnecessary upgrades, the things you buy just because they look tempting. Pause for a moment and ask, do I really need this right now? Or is it better to save this money for something important? Sometimes the smartest financial move isn't earning more. It's simply not wasting what you already have. This one habit alone gives you control, clarity, and peace of mind. Sixth, start investing. Saving is good, but it won't change your life. Investing will. And no, investing isn't only for rich people or finance experts. It's for regular people who want their future to feel secure instead of stressful. So commit to consistently investing a fixed amount every month. Small is fine. What matters is consistency. Stocks, index funds, mutual funds, retirement plans. Choose what fits your country and comfort level. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to let your money grow quietly in the background while you live your life. Because when you invest, you're not just spending money, you're building a future where you have options, stability, and freedom. Most people will walk into the new year and live the exact same life again, but I don't think you will. If you've made it this far, it already says a lot about you. You want better. You expect better from yourself. So start now. You don't need to wait for January to become serious. Start small, start imperfect, but start. Move your body, protect your mind, control your money, invest in your future. Do this consistently, and watch 2026 become your greatest comeback year. Most people will waste it. Don't be one of them.